Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to share another book review. The, this book is one of the wonderful books ever, and it is a novel written by Paulo Coelho, and the novel is Alchemist. This is all about a story of a boy, a shepherd. He went to achieve his goals, and this story tells how he struggles for his aims and how he achieves. So let's begin with the story. There was a boy, he was a shepherd named as Santiago. One night he was sleeping near a church under a tree, a sycamore tree. He dreamed that a boy was saying to him that there is a treasury under the pyramids in Egypt. Go and achieve it. Next morning he went and met with a gypsy woman and asked that please interpret this dream what it is actually saying. She said to him that you have to go to Egypt. There is that treasury, but you have to pay 10% of that treasury to me. Santiago agreed and he left. He met with the king of Salim. He advised him that everyone has a legend. So you must also have your legend, sell your folk, and then go to achieve your targets. He confused a bit, but he then agreed with the king. He sold his folk, got some gold coins, and then he left. When he reached a city in known as Changaria, he was robbed and he was left with no belongings. So he joined a person, a merchant, and started earning as assistant to him. He earned a money and earned a few gold coins, and then he again left for his aim, his to fulfill his dream that was to achieve a treasury. He was traveling to Egypt with a caravan, and in caravan he met with an Englishman. He said that there is a magical person, a chemist, who could convert lead into gold. They both became friends. After a few days, they met with the chemist. Chemist asked that Englishman that have you ever tried yourself to convert lead into gold? You have wasted 10 years to search me. Rather than you have tried yourself, why you did not try? So this is one of the best message he gave, that try yourself. Do not be dependent on others. And Santiago also told his story to chemist, and chemist asked him to stick to his mission. After that, he met, and there was a nearby a desert. He interpreted that might be there will be a war within 2 or 3 days. He went to the king of that area and told him that possibly there will be a war. So he said that we are going to prepare ourselves. If there will be war, we will reward you and will pay thanks to you, otherwise we will hang you. What happened next morning? There was a war. They were already prepared, so they won, and they gave some coins to Santiago. They appreciated him and made him counselor. One time, he thought that I should settle myself here. I have everything. I have gold. I have a job here, so I must settle. But again, he thought that I do not want to leave my aim, my dream for which I am struggling for times. So he then again started his journey with the chemist. They reached at the Egypt. There were robbers. They robbed Mr. Santiago, and he was left with nothing again. So he lost his confidence and he started crying and told his story to the robbers that I have came from Spain in the search of a treasury. I dreamed for it. So I am very depressed. So one of the robbers laughed and moved forward and told him that you are such a silly and fool man. I also dreamed one night that there is a treasury under the tree of sycamore in Spain near the church, but I never tried. I never went. So he was amazed to listen that. He thought, oh, I left treasury where it was. So he again moved to the Spain and he went to the same tree, digged it and found the treasury. He was happy to see it because his hard work paid off. So he gave 10% to that woman and then he started living his life peacefully. So there are four messages we get from it. Number one is where for whatever you dream, you should go for it. You should try hard for it. And number second is that success is where you are, but you have to do a bit efforts to achieve it. And number third is do not be depressed. Get do not lose your hope. Do not get worried if you are far behind from your success. Just continue your struggle. Finally, you will be succeeded one day if you are determined to your aim and mission. And number fourth is the best is that try yourself. Do not be dependent upon others. This was quoted by Alchemist to an Englishman who was searching him for more than 10 years. So when he tried himself, he also became a good converter of lead into gold. So this was all about the story. So I would like to thank you all for watching me and thanks for your comments and feedback that gave me motivation. So I am again sharing my this review. If I again get positive response, I will continue inshallah, and I will be thankful to all of you. Thank you all.